Hey guys! Today we're going to learn about how we can make a character dance in Scratch. This can be used for animations and dances we make on Scratch. First, obviously we're going to go into new project. I'll be viewing steps from my website, which is trishul.net. I'll just be reviewing them. So first I'm going to delete the cat because I don't kind of like it. It doesn't really have much costumes and it doesn't really have much dance moves. I'm going to go on backdrop and I'm going to pick a backdrop. I'm going to go on forest because it has grass and I like grass and I like nature. I'm going to choose a sprite, go to the dance category and get the 1080 dance. I'm going to place him right over here. Then I'm going to go into the sound, play sound dance celebrate until done. I'm going to repeat 10. I've got to repeat 10. And I'm going to get a when flag clicked. The place on dance celebrates from here. You can choose another song if you want to, or you could upload a song. But what I like coolest is if you actually record yourself doing the song. I would love that. We're gonna practice the songs. We're gonna practice. So I really like the song, and I'm gonna use it. So I've chosen a backdrop. I've chosen a dancer. I've chosen music. Now I've played the music, I've done that, and now I'm going to code the dance. So I'm going to get a when flag clicked, looks, switch costume to 1080 stance. So costumes is literally over here. They come with the dancer. If you make the sprite by yourself, you will need to make the other costumes. So I'm just going to copy it like this. I'm going to copy it exactly. So next we're going to get another switch costumes. And yeah. And after 10 pop 80 step, this 10 pop 80 R step and then L step, okay? R step and then we're going to get another wait 0.5 seconds. And then we're going to get a right step. No, and then we're going to get a left step actually. After the left step, we're going to get the waypoint 0.5 and then freeze. And then we will, we'll get the freeze. Freeze. After the freeze, we'll get another 0.5 seconds and R cross. So this is actually kind of an old move. It's been used many times, but this is the default tutorials. And this is how you're supposed to teach a default tutorial. So yeah. Let's play it. And
hey.
Now I'm going to add a forever over here.
Hey.
So yeah. And then I can add my own moves, but I'm not going to do that right now. But it'll be awesome if you guys can try it at home. And you can use trial and error to make this project very good. Okay, bye for now. See you guys next time. Please like and subscribe to this video. And please comment as well. I'd be happy to answer all your wonderful questions. And be happy to take suggestions from you guys.